Welcome to our video on adding business certifications to your profile and how certifications could help boost your sales. Many customers who shop with Amazon Business, our B2B service, look for ways to support diverse businesses. Some provide their support with specific spending targets and use Amazon to buy from suppliers that are registered small businesses, minority-owned, or woman-owned. Other business customers use Amazon to find suppliers that meet certain quality, sustainability, or compliance sourcing objectives. Business customers can set buying policies to help them prioritize products from certified sellers. For example, if a buyer wants to purchase products from a seller who's a registered small business or is woman-owned, they could use the Owner Diversity Certifications function to prioritize the products from sellers with related certifications. Customers with buying policies spend millions on products sold by certified selling partners every year. To appeal to discerning Amazon Business buyers, professional sellers can add certifications to their business profiles. Certifications are viewable to all Amazon Business customers and are filterable for business customers while they shop on Amazon. Amazon recognizes various types of certifications for diversity and quality. Business sellers can indicate that they are a registered small business, are SBA certified by the Small Business Administration, or are woman, Black, minority, or veteran-owned. They can also certify that they meet specific standards set by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. To appeal to government buyers, sellers can upload a Federal Compliance Section 889 form through the certification page. To add a certification to your business profile, choose B2B from the main menu on Seller Central. Then click Certifications. On the Certifications page, click Upload a Certification. This will bring you to the Add a New Certification page. Start by selecting your certification type: National Diversity Certification, State Diversity Certification, Federal Representations and Certifications, or Quality Certification. Next, use the drop-downs to select your specific certification. Complete any required fields and upload your certification documentation. Finally, click Submit. The initial status of your certification will be displayed as under review. The Amazon team will complete the review within 7 to 10 business days. If accepted, your certification will be displayed as active. If there are any issues, your certification will be set to suspended and you will receive an email with instructions on fixing and re-uploading your certifications. Your uploaded certifications will then be viewable to all Amazon Business customers. For more information, or to view a full list of certifications, type certification into the search bar in the top right on Seller Central, and choose Certifications or the Add a Certification help page.